everyone, what's up? It's your girl Alexandra and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching and continue to support me. Thank you. I love it. And yeah, so in today's video I'm just gonna do like a good old fashioned get ready with me video. I've been wanting to do these for quite some time now, and I figured, you know what, this is the best time to do it because I got some new hair. It's a nice cute little wig from Outre. Got it from my local beauty supply store, and yeah, I really love it, and I really want to just do something really cute. And I'm gonna show you guys my whole outfit, everything, how I apply my makeup, and how I tried to put this on my head. Okay, I am not a wig expert. I am still learning. That's why I've been only buying synthetic wigs, because I figured I'd rather mess up in a synthetic wig than a human hair wig. So you're gonna see me attempt to try to put this on, but I mean, I think I did okay. Of course I can do better, but you know, it is what it is. It's just cute, you know, so you can get them pictures in. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So if you want to see me go from this to this, keep on watching. Ooh, child, fresh face and bare. So I'm gonna prep my skin with some Milani setting spray, and then I'm gonna go in with my Global Glamour moisturizing primer lotion. And again, I just use this to get my face ready for some makeup. And now I'm going in with my NYX eyebrow pencil. I really love this. Use it all the time, and it's pretty cheap and affordable. And now I'm just snatching these brows, baby. And ignore what's in my hair. Eventually, I get that out. So next, I'm going in with my LA Pro Concealer. I love this. I've been using it for years. And I'm using the color Fawn to just further snatch my brows some more and blending it out with a mini beauty blender. And then just going back in just to perfect it. And then next I'm using the orange concealer to kind of hide some of the dark marks from minor breakouts that I've had the past week or so. And using an orange concealer really helps kind of cancel out those dark marks. And then I'm going in with my other color, which I believe is called Toffee. And then using the Fenty Pro Filtr foundation. I really love it. I might change my foundation, but for now this is what I'm using, and I'm in the color 390, and it does look a bit orange, but once it oxidizes, it does begin to blend into my skin and look a lot better. Yeah, I'm like totally listening to some music right now. And then I'm using that same orange concealer under my eyes to get rid of those dark circles. And then I'm using another color, Toffee, to just kind of highlight some under my eyes and bridge my nose. And I also do this just to conceal some more, because child, dark circles be showing through my makeup, and that ain't cute at all. And next, we are going in contouring my nose, my cheekbones, my forehead. Usually I don't contour like that, but because I was taking some pictures, I figured, you know, let's do that extra step and go all the way. So this is like a full glam look. Definitely don't do this every day because it's not needed every day. Don't know how other girls do it, but hey, that's all y'all. So I'm using this Beauty Bakery Flour baking powder. I really like it. It's really nice. It seems to be working, I think. And like I said, I don't really contour like that every day or bake every day. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't. It might look like I do, but I don't. I'm just going off my memory of what other girls are doing. So if it looks like I'm not doing it right, then I'm not doing it right. I'm not going to even front with you guys. And again, I'm singing. Honestly, I don't remember what I'm singing at this point, but hey, we singing. And I'm waiting for this to bake, so. And then next I'm going to do my contour, and I'm using Fenty again. And again, I will link everything down below if it's still available at Sephora or Outre. I'm using my favorite blush by Patricia. I love this blush. I'm going to be sad when it's gone because it's a limited edition. And then next I'm going in with my Patricia Bright eyeshadow palette, and I believe it's by Makeup Revolution. And I really love this palette. Like, the colors are super, super beautiful. So, and I'm going for a brown kind of smoky look. Nothing too extravagant because I really don't know how to do eyeshadows like that. So we got to make it do what it do because this is all I know how to do. Making it look really cute and pretty. And then I'm doing Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and I'm going in with Furu, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And I love that palette. It's like really pretty. I haven't really used it much, but I just love the colors in them. And then we're just adding in some highlight from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And then adding some mascara, and then I'm gonna put my eyelashes on off camera, and you guys will see that in a second. And then I'm just adding some eyeliner just to kind of make it look full. Spray, girl, spray. Yes, give me that dewy skin. And so I'm just overdrawing my lips. I really do like doing that lately. I don't know why. And then I'm using an oldie but a goodie, some NYX Cupcake Pink Lip Gloss. Love it, love it, love it. And then I'm using B. Simone Now or Never Gloss. And I really love her lip glosses. Like, you guys should totally go get it. And then I have the Diamond Clear Gloss. Alright, let's put it on this wig. Now this is a wig from Outre. I don't remember the color, but I'll link it down below for you guys if it's like available online somewhere. But let me just let y'all know, I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to putting on a wig. Sometimes I usually get the wigs that don't have the lace, but I want it to be a little daring because I love this wig so much. So I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. I know you have to do the whole Got to be glue. Make it look tacky. That's what I'm doing right now. Kind of putting it on my forehead. I'll be honest with you guys. I probably should have did this before I put on my makeup. So I will do that next time when I put this wig back on. But in the meantime, I'm getting that glue tacky enough so the wig will stay on my head. And making sure it is nice and secure for the moment. And I did it this way because I knew by the end of the night I was going to take this off. So, but I was just kind of putting it on there because I just wanted to make sure it's like really, really on there. But if you guys have any tips or tricks on how to put on a synthetic wig, let me know. Or if you want to shoot me over somebody that is really good on putting on wigs, show me, because I need to learn. And then at this point, I'm putting on some baby hairs. But let me tell y'all, it was a struggle to even get to this point, but I made it. I did it. And I think it looks good.
Couldn't see me without your babe. That I wouldn't be without your babe. Couldn't see me without your babe. I've been searching for you every day. So glad that I found you, boy. I've been feeling for you every day. I'm so
Thank you so much for watching my get ready with me video. If you like what you saw, go ahead and like this video and comment down below something cute, something nice, something encouraging. And make sure you guys subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I post a new video. And one last announcement, follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle right here at its_Alexandra Martin, and that's where you're gonna find me on a daily basis. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.